Yo, it's your boy Meech 2 times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Meech the Preach, man. Hey, I hope y'all woke up feeling amazing, feeling blessed, feeling grateful, and thanking God that He let you see another day, man. I hope y'all doing well. Hope y'all feeling good, man. Let me know down in the comments below. But if you're new to my channel, man, welcome to my channel. I talk a lot about self-improvement. I'm taking y'all along on my journey of my self-improvement, healing from my past traumas, healing from things like a porn addiction and things like that. So yeah, that's a little bit about myself. I'm 21 years old. But I want to talk to y'all about, if you've been feeling like you've been in a losing season, man, I want you to know that you're entering your winning season right now, man. If this video popped up for you, you're entering your winning season right now. God put this video on your timeline or your feed, in your algorithm, for a reason, man. You know, I know you've been feeling beat down. I know you've been feeling like the enemy's been taking you down. I know you've been feeling hopeless, trapped, stuck in life. Man, I know you just been feeling like you may not be worth anything, man. But those are all lies that you're being told by the enemy, and your brain is telling yourself. You know, God has a plan for you, and as I can see by my sweater right now, lead me to the rock that is higher than I. Psalm 61:2. You know, God's leading you to that rock, to that next point in your life, man. He's leading you above one. He's leading you to that mountain where you like, bruh, right now your life is the mountains, the top of the mountains right here. You're right here. You're elite. Matter of fact, I can kind of show on my shirt. Okay, you started down here, right? You started down here. A mountain doesn't just go straight up. It does not just go straight up. A mountain, there's ups and downs to it, man. There's left paths, there's right paths, there's things you have to climb, there's streams and waterfalls and things you gotta go through, man, in order to get to the top, man. But you know you're gonna be on the top soon, man. If you give up today, tomorrow can be the day that you break through, man. And I know how easy it is to tell yourself, hey, like, you know, I've been trying for so long. I've been doing what I feel like I've been doing what I have to do. Why is other people passing me? Say you're going up this mountain and there's other people just flying up on a dirt bike or going up on a helicopter ride, and it looks like they have an easy ride up. But hey, man, that's not everybody's journey is different. God puts His strongest soldiers through the toughest battles, man. So it may look, hey, look, this guy's going up on a helicopter or he has ropes and stuff, but he's getting there fast, man. Fast things do not last. It takes slow to grow, man. Slow and steady always wins the race, man. He may be going up, flying up the mountain and get to the top, but he didn't enjoy the journey. He may have got there in 30 minutes. It may have took you 4 weeks to get up there. But him getting up in that 30 minutes, he may feel like, yeah, I'm on top of the world. But now what? If he gets dropped up there, he doesn't have the same survival skills that you learned over this time. He doesn't have the endurance that you endured. He won't have a better story to tell than you, man. When you're going through tough things, you have a story to tell. Me, I have a story to tell, man. I was addicted to pornography for 12 years, man. Since a kid. That's my story to tell. I didn't just get to the places that certain people see me at. Everyone thinks I got a lot of things handed to me. No, man, I had to go through things, man. The strongest people go through the worst stuff, man. Think about it. You just endured 4 weeks going up this mountain, fighting off bears, man. You got scars and wounds, man. Like, look at my chin right here, man. And this really don't have nothing to do with the video, but I got a scar in my face, man. I could have let that beat me down, but it made me stronger, man. I got hit in the face with a bow and arrow. This scar on my face, man, it's gonna tell a story, man. You know? So, don't always look at things that's going wrong in your life as a bad thing, man. It's just little tests that God's putting you through to build you up for the next chapter of your life, man. If you started that business, man, keep going. Tomorrow or a week from now, your business can skyrocket. You're making $1 million and change your whole life, bro. But if you gave up today, if you gave out right now today, you did all that for nothing, man. And I know it's easy to tell yourself you want to give up. I know it's when people tell you things that aren't encouraging. I know how it feels for your family not to believe in you, man. You know, my family's never said they're proud of me. I've never heard the words, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, Demetrius. I never heard of that. It was always criticism. Basically making me feel like I am not enough. I did not do enough. What I'm doing is not going to work for me. Because it didn't work for them, it's not going to work for me. No, I'm sorry, man. And it's the same for you. If you're seeing this video right now, man, you're being put through things to build you up, man. You know, if you take a bear from the zoo, I'm gonna do another little analogy. You take a bear from a zoo, and you take that bear that grew up in the zoo and place him into the forest, he's not gonna know how to survive. No matter how much survival instincts he has, he's not gonna know how to survive as a bear who's been in it his whole life, who knows how to move and how to hunt and how to fish and different things like that, man. So God is building you up for that next step in your life. The reason you're not where you're at, where you want to be right now, is because you're not ready. God said you're not ready. You know, if you were ready, he would have placed you there right now. You know, me, I want to be financially free. I want to be traveling the country and things like that. I know God's going to get me there if that's his plan for me. Your plan for you may not be what God's calling you to do. You know, not once did I ever think I'll be speaking on YouTube, helping people out, especially about a porn addiction, man. Nobody wants to hop on YouTube and let the whole world know that they have an addiction that a lot of men hide and suffer in silence from. But that's what he's leading me to do, and it's bringing me success in life, in aspects of my life. And I think about, hey, you know, why am I not at 10K yet? Why am I not at 100K yet? Why are there people that started after me that went right past me? Because God's building me up to be greater than, and I'm not saying I'm greater than anybody, man, but he's building me up because this is my journey. I can't follow everybody else, man. You know, it's like if you're driving in the car as well. If there's 3 lanes, there's the fast lane over here, there's the middle lane, and there's the slow lane. You're in the middle lane, right? You see everybody going fast past you, man. They're all trying to rush to work. They're all going to the same destination to get to work. But you're going to another destination, but you're trying to keep up with these people, man. So you get over in the other lane, you switch lanes, you're not staying in your lane, you switch lanes to keep up with other people. You're gonna crash out, man. And that's a perfect analogy. That is a perfect analogy I can bring for y'all, because they may be rushing to get to the job. They may be rushing to go get that bag. But life is a walk, it's not a race. Because the more that you race, the more your time is running out. Stop rushing things, man. Every second, every millisecond, you're getting closer to your death, man. Enjoy life. Sit back, relax. Enjoy your family around you. Enjoy the peace around you, man. Because if you hop into that next lane and try and catch up with everybody else, you are going to crash out. Instead of just staying in your own lane, going at your own pace, you're going to get there safer than these other people that are going to eventually crash out as well. They're going to run out of gas. They're going to mess up their motor. They're going to mess up their life. But you stayed at your same pace, you're going to get there safe. You know? So I want to let y'all know, man, you're entering your winning season right now. Just keep grinding. This video popped up on your feed for a reason, man. I want y'all to keep grinding, stay focused, cut off all the distractions, man. And you know, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. If you're watching this right now, I'm proud of you. I love you. Even if I don't know you, I love you. You're my brother, you're my sister. We're divided. This world is full of division, man. We're always in competition with one another. That's not how it's meant to be. We're meant to work with one. We're not supposed to conquer each other. We're not supposed to be crabs in a barrel. I come from Baltimore. We love crabs here, but we have the perfect analogy. Baltimore is crabs in a barrel. People are trying to get out of the barrel, the other crabs are dragging them back down. People are dying, people are hating. It's a whole bunch of stuff, man. Stop being in competition with your neighbor. Love your neighbor. Don't compete with your neighbor. Love your neighbor. Work together with your neighbor. And y'all can grow in tremendous ways, man. But yeah, You're entering your winning season, man. Just keep grinding, stay focused. Don't give up. Number one thing, do not give up. Promise yourself. This is how, if you don't have confidence, this is how you build self-confidence. Make promises and keep them, man. I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning today and went on a hike/jog. I feel amazing because I made that promise to myself. It was hard for me to wake up, but I made that promise to myself. And I made a promise to the one up above, man. And he's using my voice. That's why I'm Meech to preach. I'm using my voice to preach to you guys how to elevate your life as well as I'm doing it right now. I don't know everything. Nobody knows everything. It's everybody's first time living. But I know from my experiences in the past, I know certain things on how to get over certain things, man, and how to move forward in your life. And I know the blessings and the gratefulness of God on how he works. So with that being said, man, I love y'all. I'm proud of you. And subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And if you're family right now, join the tribe, man. We have a Discord in the description below. If you're dealing with mental health or you want to talk about anything, hit me up in the Discord down below, man. With that being said, man, I love y'all, and I will catch y'all in the next video, man. Get it.